For question 1, we're asked to solve x plus 2x plus 5x equals to 40. We're going to start by collecting like terms on the left. Here we've got x plus 2x is 3x, and 3x another 5x gives us 8x, so I've got 8x equals to 40. As I'm solving for x, I want to get the value of x by itself. 8x in algebra means 8 times x. The opposite of multiply by 8 is to divide both sides by 8. Therefore 8 over 8 will cancel to leave us with just x, and 40 divided by 8 gives us 5. For question 2, again we're solving for the value of x. Here we have 7x minus 1 equals to 20. As I want to get x by itself, I'm going to start by eliminating the minus 1 by doing the inverse, and that's to add 1 to both sides. On the left, negative 1 add 1 cancels to leave us 7x, and on the right, 20 add 1 gives us 21. 7x in algebra means 7 multiplied by x. As I want to get x by itself, I do the inverse of multiply, which is to divide both sides by 7. In this case, 7 over 7 will cancel to give us just x, and 21 divided by 7 gives us 3. For question 3, again I'm asked to solve. This time I'm asked to solve 5, and in brackets m plus 1 equals to 7m minus 4. As I've got a single bracket, I'm going to start by expanding the single bracket. Whatever's directly outside, I'm going to multiply by each term directly inside the single bracket. 5 times m will give us 5m, and 5 times positive 1 will give us plus 5. On the right hand side I've still got 7m minus 4. As I'm solving for the letter m, I currently have 5m on the left and I've got 7m on the right. As I've got more amounts of m on the right, I'm going to bring the 5m across to the right by doing the inverse. The opposite add 5m is to subtract 5m from both sides. As I want the terms with m to be on the right, therefore I'm going to move my number terms across to the left. So the opposite of negative 4 is I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So simplifying my equation, on the left I've got 5m take away 5m, which will cancel, and 5 add 4 gives us 9. On the right, 7m take away 5m gives us 2m, and negative 4 add 4 will cancel. As I have 2m equals to 9, again I want to get the value of m. 2m in algebra means 2 multiplied by m. Opposite of times by 2 is to divide both sides by 2. Therefore 2 over 2 will cancel to give us m. Therefore m is equal to 9 over 2, which I can simplify to give us 4.5. For question 4, again I'm asked to solve. I want to work out the numerical value in this case for the letter x. As I've got 3 and in brackets x minus 5 divided by 7 equals to 1, I can start by eliminating divide by 7 by doing the inverse, and that's to multiply both sides of the equation by 7. Times it by 7 and divide by 7 of the inverse. Therefore I'm just going to have the numerator, which in this case is 3, and in brackets x minus 5. And the right hand side, 1 times 7 will give us 7. Expand a single bracket, whatever's directly outside, I'm going to multiply by each term directly inside. 3 times x will give us 3x, and 3 times negative 5 will give us negative 15, and I've still got the 7 on the right hand side. Solving for x, I want to find x and cover it up. I want to move the negative 15 across the other side by doing the inverse, by adding 15 to both sides. Negative 15 add 15 cancels to leave us with 3x on the left, and 7 add 15 will give us 22. Again, I don't want to have 3x, I want the value of x. Opposite of times by 3 is to divide both sides by 3. 3 over 3 cancels to give us x. I know 3 goes into 22 7 whole times, as 7 times 3 is 21. Remains a 1, and the remainder is over the same denominator. So my final answer is x is equal to 7 and 1/3.